Hey guys, it's Steph with Symmetry Financial Group, and I just wanted to jump on today and go over a quick difference between term life insurance and whole life insurance. I've been getting a couple questions about this lately, and so I would love to just clarify a little bit, at least with basic information. And if this doesn't cover what you are interested in, then feel free to reach out and we can get a little bit more in depth. But the main difference is term life is going to be for a certain term. So you can set this individually, but usually it's going to be 10, 20, or 30-year term life insurance. So it's going to be for a set amount. So for example, maybe someone will pull out $300,000 to cover their existing mortgage in case they pass within the 30 years of their term of that mortgage. The benefits of term is that you can get a higher coverage amount for less per month because it does expire. It only will pay out during that term. So if you have a 30-year term, it only covers if the insured passes away within that 30 years. If they don't pass away, which is good, right? We don't want them to. But if they don't, then it does expire at that 30-year term, unless you pay to convert it to a whole life policy, which is a little bit more in depth. So that is something you can do. With whole life, it is going to last your entire life, but it is going to be more expensive. But the pro is that, of course, it is your whole life. Also, you can draw from it while you're still living. So that is an option. And it can actually grow cash growth value over time as well. So there are some benefits with both policies. The younger you start, the better, because it's based on your age and your health. And typically, as you're younger, your health is going to be better. So the younger that you get locked in with something, even if it's a lesser amount and maybe you upgrade later, it really is better for your coverage. Most term policies you can actually lock in at your age and health when you originally get that policy, and then you'll have a certain amount of time to where you can actually convert it to whole life without having any additional medical exam or questions. So that's pretty cool. So if you guys have any questions about term versus whole life, definitely reach out to me. I would love to chat with you about a quote. We can go over what your financials are and what makes the most sense. And I think that this really has a lot to do with where you are in life. So reach out, let's talk, let's get you covered, because we never know how short life is.